Top 3 items every young adult should keep in their room. Number 1, planner or digital calendar. It is essential for managing schoolwork, social events, appointments, and deadlines. It helps young adults stay organized, prioritize tasks, and avoid scheduling conflict. Well-maintained calendar reduces stress and improves time management skills. Number 2, refillable water bottle. Staying hydrated is very important for physical and cognitive function. Keeping a reusable water bottle in the room encourages regular water intake throughout the day. This simple habit promotes better health, concentration, and energy level. Number 3, portable charger. In today's digital world, smartphones and other devices are essential tools for communication, work, and leisure. A portable charger prevents the inconvenience and potential disruption of a dead battery. Choose a charger with sufficient power capacity for your device's needs.